Most people know that having a healthy heart rate is important. You don't want your heart to beat too fast and you don't want it to beat too slow. It should beat just the right pace to provide your vital organs and muscles with just the right amount of blood and oxygen . Most people know that having a healthy heart rate is important. You don't want your heart to beat too fast and you don't want it to beat too slow. It should beat just the right pace to provide your vital organs and muscles with just the right amount of blood and oxygen that you need to survive and thrive. What many people don't know, though, is that the natural variation in someone's heart rate is also important. Your heart shouldn't beat at a constant, steady rate all day. It should vary based on whether you are resting or exercising, whether you are happy or angry, nervous or relaxed. Your brain is constantly detecting what is happening inside and outside of you, and one of the ways it responds to changes in your environment is by increasing or decreasing your heart rate. These natural changes can be measured and are called your heart rate variability. Heart rate variability is controlled by your nervous system, specifically the part of your nervous system that controls your autonomic functions, like breathing and digesting, the things that we don't have to think about doing, the ones that just happen. A good heart rate variability is one that is high, and it's thought to indicate a healthy heart and body, one that is able to respond appropriately and adapt to the environment and the needs. For example, if you get into a fight or suddenly need to run really fast, your nervous system will quickly need to increase your heart rate so that it can pump enough blood to your muscles so you can run or fight. However, when you're sleeping or relaxed, you don't want your heart to beat very fast, as this is not a good thing for you. So your brain will perceive this and then decrease your heart rate. In order for your nervous system to be able to increase or decrease your heart rate based on your needs, your brain needs to be able to properly sense what is going on in and around it. We know now from a lot of neuroscience research studies that when segments of your spine are not moving properly, what some chiropractors call being subluxated, this changes the way your brain can sense what is going on in and around your body and the way your brain controls your body. Research has shown that when a chiropractor gently adjusts these subluxations, it helps your brain to more accurately perceive or see what's going on in and around your body. So when your chiropractor adjusts you, it might help you to be able to respond and adapt better to your environment and keep you balanced and healthy. This is why some chiropractors will measure your heart rate variability when you are under chiropractic care, so they can see how well you are responding to the chiropractic care and to see how you are currently adapting to your environment. A group of researchers wanted to know more about chiropractic and heart rate variability, so they got 96 different chiropractors to measure heart rate variability before and after a single adjustment session on some of their patients. And for some of these patients, they measured their heart rate variability over the course of 4 weeks of chiropractic care. Altogether, 539 adults had their heart rate variability recorded before and after their adjustments, and 111 had their heart rate variability measured across 4 weeks of chiropractic care. They found that in both of these groups, there was a significant improvement in their heart rate variability measurements, and that in the group that was assessed over 4 weeks, these improvements were sustained. When we put this study together with other research that has been published about chiropractic care and heart rate variability, it suggests that chiropractic adjustments can influence heart rate variability. And very importantly, in the stressful, fast-paced life we often live these days, chiropractic care appears to increase the healing and calming side of our autonomic nervous system, although we do need more research on this area. But if you are interested in good health, adaptability, and want to better respond to stress and your environment, why don't you consider chiropractic care and make sure your spine is functioning as well as it can so you can operate at your optimal potential.